front of me is OPPO Find X8, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to hit security and privacy. Then scroll again to tap on device unlock. Click on fingerprint and face unlock section and hit face on the left. Now choose agree. Enter your current login method and hit add now. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then select Done and manage all of those options however you want to. When you finished, go back. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!